We're going to be learning about food chains, and by the time we're near the end of the video, I'm going to give you a brief explanation on food chains so that you understand it completely. Okay. A food chain is shows how plants and animals get their energy. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. The animals that predators eat are called prey. Predators are found at the top of a food chain. Food chain always starts with the producer. This is an organism that makes its own food. Most food chains start with the green plant because plants can make their food by photosynthesis. A living thing that eats other plants and animals is called consumer. Producers autotrophs. These are usually plants or algae that can produce their own food through photosynthesis or chemosynthesis. They form the base of the food chain. Examples included grasses, trees, and phytoplankton. Primary consumers, herbivores. These organisms eat the producers. They are the first consumers in the food chain and are typically herbivores. Examples are rabbits, deer, or caterpillars. Secondary consumers, carnivores or omnivores. These animals eat primary consumers. They might they might be carnivores like snakes eating rabbits, or omnivores which eat both plants and animals like raccoons. Territory consumers, apex predators. These are top predators in our ecosystem with few or no natural predators. They they eat secondary consumers. Examples include wolves, eagles, and orcas. Decomposers, detritivores, while not always included in food chains, decomposers like fungi, bacteria, and worms break down dead organisms, returning nutrients to the soil and making them available to producers. This food chain, as you can see, it shows that a leaf is being eaten by a worm, which is then eaten by a bird. This arrow means it is eaten by. So, this is not only the food chains, there are way more. I'll say, a leaf eats a worm, is eaten by a bird is eaten by, let's say, a rabbit. I think a rabbit is then eaten by a wolf or something, and then a wolf is eaten by a tiger or lion, and then that's the biggest predator in the ecosystem. So now, as I was saying at the start of the video, I'm going to give you a brief explanation on food chains. So basically, I'll say it in simple words so it just fits in your brain. Basically, food chain is it just it's like a whole circle. It's like a circle of so as I was saying, um so basically food chains are so yeah, basically a circle. It's a life circle. It's a life circle. Like the all of these this these animals in the food chain use other animals as their food to survive. As you can see, grass is produced by the sun, and the sun can't be eaten by anyone. So grass is consumed by primary consumers, such as little insects like mosquitoes, grasshoppers, and those little insects. And these little insects are produced by secondary consumers, and for example, not too not too big and not as little as primary consumers, like mice, then then like hedgehogs and stuff. And then all these kind of foods are produced by, are eaten by territory consumers. Like they are a bit big, or like bigger than secondary consumers. They're like snakes, then let's say, what should you think of? Like basically, they're just yeah, they're just basically like animals like. And then now we're going to go to final consumers, which is like big animals like hawks, wolves, and etc. And then finally, that's not a consumer. Basically, it's not a consumer, but it's decomposer, which is kind of like fungi, bacteria, and stuff. I hope you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you get a chance, please subscribe to our video. So please subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Since like we're just trying to help you in your, especially for the E11s who are about to do their GCSEs. I think E11s have done their mocks, so I hope it finds you helpful. Please subscribe so I get more motivation to make videos like this. Bye bye.